I was particularly in my own space emphasizing the need for us to look briefly at the issue of Ebola, which is the current topical issue. That is our great public health challenge for the world and Nigeria. As we are aware, all aware of the victims of Ebola hemorrhagic fever in Nigeria and those that died. The National Military Council of Nigeria sympathizing with the families, friends, and colleagues of our departed professional colleagues who contracted this disease, deadly virus, while trying to save the life of an infected patient. To us, these great nurses are the nightingales of our times who gave their all for a dying man. That is the spirit of the registered nurse and midwife. We hereby call on all nurses and midwives to please observe the universal precautions of hand washing with soap, running water, use of sanitizers, and protective wires strictly when dealing with all patients and death and the dying patients, for those that die. I call on all nurses and midwives to remain committed to their duties at this trying moment by standing with the patients and all those who require our services. After this workshop, the Council will intensify discussions with relevant persons and agencies on the roles and responsibilities of nurses and midwives in this fight and how the interests of the nurses and midwives can be protected. That is a little bit about it.
Thank you very much.